Most 3 dangerous words in the whole fucking music business. You ain't heard? Snoop Dogg, that nigga Daz, and Tupac. From where? Death Row's Finest.
3 words to make a motherfucking heart burst. I rip the verse first, nigga, when I start to curse. Picture of black hurts, adversaries buried in they Sunday best. He blinked, died in the dark, my gun sprayed his chest. When will I die, nigga? We all die, so until I die, why must I ride on my enemies until they fry? Father, forgive them cause they not know. My Glock cock, nigga, drop when my shots flowing. My definition of a thug, nigga, a multi-millionaire, started as a drug dealer. I love niggas open fire when I blast at you. Everybody dies, bad boy massacre. I laugh at you. Holler my name, I reappear like a genie, knowing no man alive can see me. Motherfuckers making problems, but they get what they deserve. Get destroyed with these 3 words. Motherfuckers, the world, feel the fury of the chosen man. Thug nigga, 10mm closing hand. Put him in my range, aim nigga, take 5. Watch him die, should've never fucked around when it's time to ride. Riding low down a one-way, watch for gunplay. I hope we find true peace one day. Nobody cried when my dog died, set him straight. AK automatic, be retaliate.
You can even call collect the most feared duet since me and Elton play career Russian roulette and never even see me blink or get the bus in a sweat. People stepping over people just to rush to the set just to get to see an MC who breathes so freely, ease over these beats and be so breezy. Jesus, how can shit be so easy? How can one Chandra be so leafy? Turn on these beats, MCs don't see me. Believe me, BET and MTV are gonna grieve when we leave off for cheesy. Can't leave rap alone, the game needs me. So skip to your loo while I do what I do best. You ain't even impressed no more, you're used to it. Flows too wet, nobody close to it. Nobody says it, but still everybody knows the shit.
Fuck the world, feel the fury of the chosen man. Thug nigga, 10mm closing hand. Put him in my range, aim nigga, take 5. Watch him die, should've never fucked around when it's time to ride. Ride low down a one-way, watch for gunplay. I hope we find true peace one day. Nobody cried when my dog died, set him straight. AK automatic, be retaliate.
Take this anymore. Saying everything I've said before. All these words, they make no sense. I find bliss in ignorance. Less I hear, the less you say. You'll find that out anyway. Just like before. Everything you say to me says me one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I need a little room to break, 'cause I'm one step closer to the edge. I'm about to break. I find the answers aren't so clear. Wish I could find a way to disappear. All these thoughts, they make no sense. I found bliss in